Hey guys, what's up? I have a question for you. Do you own a Volkswagen Group car? And whenever you turn on your car, there is a small yellow light waiting for you in the dash. Yes, that one. And you don't know how to get rid of it? Then this video is for you. This light basically means that one bulb in your car is not functioning properly. As you can see, in my case, it is the passive fog lamp bulb. Now, to get rid of that light, we have to change or fix the bulb. In this particular case, you start by removing the side of the lower grill. Then you put your hand in to take out the fog lamp housing. When you put your hand in, you will feel a little clip on the side of the fog lamp. Push that clip and the fog lamp housing will come out like this. And here is the clip I was talking about. Then you take out the bulb by turning it around and you see what is the problem with the bulb. In my case, you can see the filament is not broken, so the bulb is not fused. In my case, the electrical foot contact was all messed up. This is the part that goes into the socket of the bulb. As you can see, I tried to mend it using a filer, as you can see, and it did work eventually. If it doesn't work, you can always go out and buy a new bulb. You can also use a sandpaper for this process. Now you can see it looks much better than before. Now for the moment of truth. Will it work? Will it work? Let's find out. Let's fix the bulb. Yes, it does work. Now all we have to do is fix the light bulb back in and see if the light on the dashboard is gone or not. But be careful. Turn off the bulb before fitting it in, as the bulb may get hot. Well, the moment of truth. Is the yellow light gone or not? And yeah, you can see it is gone.